Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you our new series, 11-ounce Sublimation Neon Glow Pink Coffee Mug Series. These 11-ounce Sublimation Neon Glow Pink colored mugs feature different colors of reflected light on the colored surfaces. The unique neon glow paint finish can glow in a glamorous light just like the neon glow. These 11-ounce Sublimation Neon Glow Pink colored mugs come in 7 vibrant colors. Also, each color of the mug has a reflected light of different color, purple, blue or green. The combination of contrasting color and light gives these mugs a very stylish and charming look. Such stylish photo mugs really make a perfect serving mug option for bars and restaurants, and they are also a perfect choice for business promotion or gift giving. Finished with our proprietary Orca coatings, it can produce high-quality heat transfer image. Therefore, they can make a perfect photo mug option for current food entertainment service, business promotion, and many more purposes. Alright, that's it for today's introduction. If you have any questions, please contact us. And please don't forget to subscribe to us. Here are the latest and hottest sublimation product recommendations. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.